Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5 camera tips and tricks for your iPhone 15 Plus. So first, when you are here in the standard photo mode, we can use the volume buttons. They are located on the left side. So when you click on the volume up or volume down, you can just take the photo, right? But when you click and hold one of these buttons, you are going to record video. You can adjust function of these buttons by going to the settings, scrolling to the bottom. You have to pick the camera application. There we go. And we've got this option, use volume up for the burst. So when you turn it on, you can just click and hold this button and you will take the series of the photos. The second option will be about adjusting the brightness level. So when you click on the screen, you can increase or decrease the brightness level by moving this sun icon. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen like that. Second tip will be about zooming in and out. We can for sure do this by pinching screen like that, but you've got here some presets, right? So you can just click and hold and you will unlock this slider. And with this slider, you can smoothly zoom in or zoom out, just like that. And it works really nice. Another option will be hidden right here on this arrow. So here we are able to adjust the exposure. As you can see, -2 and the +2, we can set like that with this slider. Okay, and also the last tip will be about the shutter delay. So when you click right here, we can add shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. When you select, for example, the 10 seconds, that's the countdown in the right bottom corner of the screen. And also the flashlight is blinking, give us information that we are going to take this shutter photo. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.